Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today we're diving into something that might seem small but can make a huge difference in your kitchen, especially if you're cooking for 1 or 2 people. We're talking about the Yamato cooker microprocessor, specifically the 1.5-liter mini rice cooker, model YJE-M150B. Now, you might be thinking, a mini rice cooker, really? But stick with me, because this little appliance packs a punch and offers some surprising versatility. First off, let's address the elephant in the room, or rather, the rice cooker on the counter. Its compact size is its most immediate defining characteristic. Measuring in at a mere 1.5 liters, this is designed for efficiency and minimal kitchen real estate. If you're living in a small apartment, a dorm room, or simply find yourself cooking for a small household, this is where it starts to shine. No more having a bulky appliance dominate your counter space. But don't let the size fool you into thinking it's a one-trick pony. While it excels at making perfect rice, the microprocessor, in its name hints at more. This isn't your grandmother's old-school rice cooker. The microprocessor technology allows for more precise temperature and time control, which translates to better, more consistent results across a variety of cooking modes. Let's break down what this little guy can actually do. Of course, its primary function is cooking rice, and it does an admirable job. Whether you're making white rice, brown rice, or even sushi rice, the intelligent cooking cycles adapt to give you that fluffy, perfectly cooked grain every time. The inner pot is typically non-stick, making cleanup a breeze, which is always a win in my book. Beyond rice, many microprocessor-controlled rice cookers like this offer additional functions. While the provided details are sparse, based on similar models, you can often expect settings for things like porridge or congee, which is fantastic for a hearty breakfast or a comforting meal. Some might even have a cake setting, allowing you to bake small cakes or desserts right in the cooker. It's this hidden versatility that elevates it from a simple rice cooker to a multifunctional kitchen helper. The design is sleek and modern, often coming in a sophisticated black finish like this YJE-M150B. The control panel is usually intuitive, with clear buttons or touch controls that allow you to select your desired cooking mode and start the process. Many of these mini rice cookers also feature a keep warm function, so your food stays at the perfect temperature until you're ready to eat, without overcooking it. Now, for the pros. The most obvious pro is its compact size. It's perfect for individuals or couples, saving precious counter and storage space. The microprocessor technology ensures consistent and superior cooking results, especially for rice. The versatility beyond just rice is a significant advantage, making it a more valuable addition to your kitchen. Ease of use and simple cleanup are also major selling points. However, there are cons to consider. The 1.5-liter capacity, while a pro for some, is a definite con for larger families or if you entertain frequently. You simply won't be able to cook enough food in one go. While it offers multiple functions, it's still a compact appliance, so don't expect it to replace your oven or stovetop for complex meals. Furthermore, the quality of the cake or porridge functions can vary depending on the specific model and its programming. Sometimes these secondary functions are more of a novelty than a truly robust cooking option. Finally, the price point for a microprocessor-controlled appliance, even a mini one, can sometimes be a bit higher than a basic stovetop pot, so you are paying for that advanced technology. In conclusion, the Yamato cooker microprocessor 1.5-liter mini rice cooker YJE-M150B is a compelling option for a very specific audience. If you're a single person, a couple, or someone with limited kitchen space who loves perfectly cooked rice and appreciates the convenience of multifunctional appliances, this is definitely worth a look. It streamlines your cooking process, saves space, and delivers consistent results. Just be mindful of its size limitations if you're cooking for more than a couple of people. Link in the description.